Hey guys, welcome to our home in Hobart, Tasmania. We usually don't start out outside with our home tours, but we just felt like we had to show you this tremendous backyard we have. It's full of flowers and bushes and trees, and I'm standing underneath one of several cherry trees here, and we have enjoyed picking cherries throughout our whole week-long stay, and it's been wonderful. So let me get on the other side of the camera and I'll walk you through, and then we'll walk down the hill here and show you the inside of the house. So anyway, here is the cherry tree that we've enjoyed. It's just been fabulous, and it's been loaded with cherries, just loaded with cherries. We've picked several bowls, and there are several bowls left. As we go down the hillside here, you can see the view we have of Hobart, which is wonderful. Also behind me, there's a peekaboo view of Mount Wellington. That's been great, especially as the sun sets behind there. We have had wallabies in our backyard, pademelons, all kinds of animals, possum. It's just been really, really fun to be out here. So we'll walk down the steps here and you can see the house, and we'll walk out the back, or walk through the back door, and Rhonda should be waiting for us. We've enjoyed the outdoor patio immensely as well. We've had really good weather here. It's summer here, so it's just been beautiful. But here we go. We'll enter the outdoor patio area, and I'll just show you a quick shot up the hill that we just came from, and you can see it's just lush, very lush, and it's been wonderful. So, but let's take a look inside, because the inside's been great too. So Rhonda is right here, hopefully waiting for me. Yes, she is.
Hello everybody, come right on into our house here. I'm going to shut the door behind us. So we're walking in the back way, and we're in the kitchen area, but the first thing I wanted to show you was the sort of washing machine area. It's been really nice. It's always nice to have a washing machine, and it was a super clean and just very easily accessible area, so this has been super nice. This is the dining area, and as you can see, it's sort of a little breakfast nook with a beautiful view of the green space that's right next to our property. And we have eaten most of our meals here. One or two we ate outside, but for the most part we ate here at this dining area, which is very quaint and perfect for our family of four. So then we come in here to the kitchen area, and you have this big island, and it has been full and stocked. She had oils for us, and she had all kinds of tea and coffee, and just condiments and that kind of thing. But also we had a full stove. We even had a dishwasher, which was kind of a treat. It was a tiny little dishwasher, but it was a great to not have to hand wash every single dish. Full-size refrigerator, and then my personal favorite in this kitchen area was this little area, which is sort of a writing nook. And what I really loved was I could push these windows open, which was really nice. And again, have a nice little view of the green space out there. And then this is also where we charged all of our electronics, so it's nice to have just sort of a central location to do that. So I'm going to leave the kitchen area, and we're going to go into the living space, and this was really nice. We had a couch, a couple of chairs to sit in, TV. We didn't use TV very much, but it's always nice to have it if you want to catch the news. Something that's been interesting, I don't think any of the stays that we've had in Asia or in Oceania, no place has had central air or central heating. So you can see right behind Mitchell here, there's sort of a fireplace mantle. We've had a lot of log burners and fireplaces, but interestingly, they just sort of have this electric heating system, which has worked really well. We just turn it on, and probably within 10 minutes we have had heat in this room, which we've needed in the evenings here. So I'm going to take you from the living space through this door. We're going to take you right down this hallway into the bathroom. So this is the bathroom area. I'm just going to let Mitchell walk in there. Nice and quaint. You can see we have just a Western style toilet, a shower. This has been interesting. It doesn't have a shower door here, and this whole thing bends and sort of gets out of the way, so we just thought that was interesting. It's a very, very small bathroom, but they did a good job with utilizing all the space. Okay, and then if you come and follow me here, I'm going to go through the bathroom, and we're going to hang a left and just go right here into the bedroom, This is where the girls slept, and it's always nice when they have separate beds. So the 2 twin beds were a great little addition. And then all of my Airbnb host friends, anytime you can have some sort of toy, like you can see on there, there's a couple of stuffed animals. There were some sort of blocks and like a wooden train set, and that's it. And Eden was in heaven because she just hasn't had a lot of toys on this extended travel journey. So anytime you can have toys, that is awesome. Okay, so we're going to come out here back into the hallway, and we're going to go down this hallway right here. This is the bedroom that Mitchell and I slept in. It's been really lovely. There's a nice skylight there. We kept thinking that the light was on, but it's not. It's just a skylight. Queen size bed, an armoire to put all of our things into so we can feel like we were at home a little bit. And then if you look out the windows here, this is a view of our front lawn area. As you can tell, it's pretty hilly here. We're pretty high up, but it's been a really nice, quiet, actually space to be. I'm gonna take you back out here in the hallway. And then if we were to go out, this would be the front door that we would exit from. So that, friends, is our home here in Hobart, and we are so glad that you came on this journey with us through our home here in Hobart. As always, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe because we have a lot more videos coming your way. Bye!